Good morning. Or good afternoon. So grade 2, good afternoon. This afternoon, you boys and girls are the first ones to actually see the playground before it gets used. So hopefully, we're hoping this grade level will be the first ones to sort of christen our new playground surface. So I'm going to hand it over to our programs directors today. We have the mayor, we have a lot of other folks that are here, and they can introduce themselves as they go along with the program. All right? So I'm going to hand it over to Mayor Burke.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Is this an awesome day or what? Yes, I am so excited to be with you today. Before we get started, I want to introduce a few people that are standing right beside me, okay? So you be patient? Yeah. Okay, we have our Superintendent of Schools, Maurice Edouard Vincent, Dr. Edouard Vincent. We have Associate Superintendent of Schools, Diane Caldwell. Assistant Superintendent of Finance, Christine Patterson. Dr. Bernadette Riccadelli, Director of Curriculum. Principal, of course, your principal, Kurt Johnson. And I know the assistant principal wanted to be here, but he's inside keeping down the fort, Andrew O'Brien. Also, from the school committee, you can tell this is really important. We have 4 members of the school committee here today. Paul Russo, Paulette Vandekloot, Erin DiBenedetto, and Vice Chair of the school committee, Mea Mustone. Today would not have been possible without one of your parents that played such an active role in getting this project before our Community Preservation Committee, and that's Cheryl Rodriguez. So Cheryl, working with the PTO, got an application in, and then the city supported the application because this is school property. We had to sign on to it as well, and we had to put it before the CPC, which is the Community Preservation Committee. And with us today, we have, oh my God, I drew a blank. Roberta Cameron. Give it up for Roberta. And you guys are little, but your moms and dads and parents and grandparents and aunts and uncles, they all put money into this account. So it's because of all of you and all of your families that we were able to have the money in the account. And this is the first official project that we have finished to date. Is the Roberts School Playground. And we have another important man here today, John McLaughlin, who makes sure all of our playgrounds are safe and sound in our schools. And we have the president of the city council here, Rick Carviella. I think I have all of the electeds and the people except one person that was really important on the city side, Fiona Maxwell, who's in our procurement office. So as I said, this is the first project to get completed with these funds, and we're just so excited that we were able to bring it to the Roberts School. So you guys are trendsetters, and you're the first ones in the queue that got something done from this funding source. So we're really proud of it, and I think if you're looking behind me, it looks pretty awesome, don't you think? Yeah! And you guys are going to get to christen it, so you are the premier grade that gets to christen this beautiful facility. But I think it's really important to allow our superintendent to say a few words. She's the leader of the school system, and she's going to make sure that we keep moving forward and up. And I want to introduce Dr. Maurice Edouard Vincent to you today.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm so excited to be here at the Roberts School. Thank you again to the family members, parents, teachers that are here. And thank you, Mr. Johnson, for your patience for this long process, but it was well worth the wait. So I want to welcome everyone. I want to say what a wonderful day it is today. The weather cooperated just for this wonderful ribbon cutting. Thank you again. The process for this playground was very long and at times, sometimes a little frustrating, but we all learned a lot by coming together, and we were determined to make this a reality. By working together with the mayor, Cheryl, our parent representative, the Roberts PTO, the school committee, the city and the CPC, Building and Grounds, and many other partners, we are so happy to see the fruits of all of our efforts this day. Our goal has always been to provide the very best for all of you, and today with this beautiful, newly renovated playground surface, you will have the benefit of playing and running on a beautiful playground surface, so we're really excited about that. And I wanted to just share that research shows that outdoor play allows students to develop, not only physically, but also emotionally, socially, and cognitively as well. So although it looks like you're playing, a lot of wonderful things are happening that are gonna make you be better and stronger every day. So thank you all for your support and participation and being here today for this ribbon cutting. So let's give one more great round of applause for all the work that has been done. I also would be remiss in saying thank you to Ruby Recycle and Travis Arms and his team and all the workers that have worked so hard to make this happen for everyone here at the Roberts Playground. Thank you again.
So we're going to do a little ribbon cutting now, and then we're going to ask if you all could go, after we cut the ribbon, if you could all go behind us, and we're going to take a big group picture, okay? We want it to be a super happy picture. Just like the Red Sox win in the World Series, for example. All right, so we're ready to cut this ribbon. So
Look up for the camera. All right, can everybody count with me? Ready? Parking in. Park. 1,